Good day. This is the 3/4 completion of my Toyota Tundra sleeping platform. I have two more pieces to cut about 12 inches deep. That'll bring it right out here to the tailgate, and I'll finish the edge off with some C-channel aluminum to prevent it from snapping off. After that, I will seal the boards with clear wood sealer to prevent any moisture absorption. So those pieces are coped up there in the front. And this is sanded plywood. That's just a temporary brace. So there'll be some cubbies here, one on each side. These two areas go straight through, 6.5 foot depth. And then there's two cubbies in the front. That'll be explained later. All right, stay tuned.